Hey love, let's achieve this twist hairstyle with a Brazilian wool. So I already prepped my wool off camera. For the back part, I'll be making use of 12 inches, and once I get to the front, I'll be making use of 14 inches. So what I just did now is to insert my crochet hook into the hair, and then I pass it through the hair just like so. You can check out my other videos if you want to know how to measure and cut your Brazilian wool. I like to do this with my wool to make sure I'm on the right track, and then I'll make sure the wool is equal, they have equal length, and then I'll go ahead to twist. Before I twist, I'll make sure I hide my natural hair into the Brazilian wool. And for the beginning, I'm going to make, let's say, an inch or two, a very tight braid, and then I'll go ahead to add an extra length to the Brazilian wool, and then I'll begin to twist very loose. If you've watched my previous video where we did the fluffy jumbo box braid, just the way we did at the beginning, a very tight braid for the root of the hair, and then we did the end very fluffy, or rather the middle part very fluffy. So we're just repeating the same step here, just that we are making a twist and not braid. Okay, and then I'll go ahead to tie down the root to secure it properly. I'm aiming for a very natural look, which is why I did not renew my protective hairstyle in this video. I had to let the root of my natural hair get very old to achieve this hairstyle. I had to repeat this one more time just so you have an understanding, but maybe not a clear view. I put the crochet hook into the hair, just try to aim for the middle of the hair, and then I insert the crochet, the Brazilian wool, to the crochet hook, and I took out just one end of the Brazilian wool, and I'm making sure the tip of the hair is equal. So I try to fix my hair just to hide my hair properly into the Brazilian wool, and then I'll go ahead to make a very tight twist. Once I twist this up to an inch or two, I'll go ahead to add an extra wool to this, and then I'll twist just once very tight, and then I'll make a very loose twist. After I was done twisting, I went ahead to cut off the Brazilian wool beneath the knot I made, and then I went ahead to trim this hair as well. But I did not insert this into a hot water because I'll be burning the tip of the Brazilian wool. Hey love, here's the final look of this hairstyle. So you tell me in the comment section down below, did we eat or ate? Guys, I made sure that I parted this hair into like 4 different hairstyles just to show you guys the final look of this hairstyle. Please Do well to rate this hairstyle in the comment section down below. I want to say a big thank you for watching up until now. Shout out to my new subscribers and to my returning subscribers. I love you guys so much. Trust you found this video helpful. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, I really don't know what you're waiting for. Do well to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon just so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Give this video a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends and your family. Enjoy the rest of the video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.